Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable digital Google Assistant on the lock screen as a shortcut and how to disable it in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we're looking for our phone's settings. Then in settings we need to scroll a bit down to home screen and lock screen menu. Then we need to go pretty much all the way down to lock screen shortcuts. And when we open it, we have a few options that we can change, and at the top we have a preview. So digital assistant Google is at the top. We can change to device controls, flashlight, QR code, and we can disable them all. So if we have by default our Google Assistant, we can disable it by choosing the none option and then closing the menu. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.